The project browser. The project browser contains views, schedules, sheets, and all other elements relating to the current project. We can open a view by double-clicking on the view. For example, I will open the view named L2 by double-clicking on it. You can extend or collapse the branch to display items within the branch. I will scroll down using my mouse wheel to the branch 3D view, locate the loft unit, and double-click to open it. As you might have noticed, the project browser can easily get complex to navigate as the project develops. Use the search within the project browser to easily search for a specific view. Let's search for parking. Locate the parking schedule and double-click to open it.